How can Mars kill you? Imagine you're finally standing on the surface of Mars. The temperature seems surprisingly comfortable. The landscape looks almost peaceful, and for a moment, you might think you've actually found a place humans could live. But there's one problem. Mars would kill you. Today, we're going to find out exactly how you die on Mars as your ship begins its descent. You're relieved to see that there are no clouds of sulfuric acid, no extreme heat like Venus, and no completely frozen surface like Mercury. In fact, the daytime temperature on Mars can reach around 20 degrees Celsius, which sounds surprisingly comfortable. But then you remember one very important problem. Mars doesn't have enough atmosphere to keep you alive. The atmosphere is extremely thin and is made mostly of carbon dioxide. So even though the temperature feels comfortable, taking off your spacesuit would be a very bad idea. Within minutes, the lack of oxygen would cause you to lose consciousness and eventually suffocate. Mars has another problem waiting for you: radiation. Because Mars doesn't have Earth's thick atmosphere and strong magnetic protection, much more radiation from the sun reaches the surface. Long-term exposure would seriously damage your body. And then there's the weather. Mars can experience enormous dust storms, with winds reaching around 100 kilometers per hour. The dust is extremely fine and abrasive, meaning it can slowly damage your equipment. Then night arrives, and this is where Mars becomes deadly again. The temperature can drop dramatically after sunset, reaching around minus 153 degrees Celsius. Your suit would struggle to protect you from the extreme cold, and your body would begin losing heat rapidly. So Mars might be one of the most promising planets for future human exploration, but that doesn't mean it's actually habitable. Without a space suit, you'd suffocate.